Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on my 2003 ZZR 1200. We're going to be working on the front blinkers, changing those out, and also doing an oil change. She really needs it. So my right turn signal blew off on the highway after hitting a huge bump. And then on the left side, the tab was already broken because of a tip over in the parking lot. And it also came off, but it fell inside that fairing. So I gotta replace these. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove that bottom half of the fairing to get at the drain plug and the oil filter. So I tried to remove this exhaust without removing the muffler, but I wasn't having any success with that. And I should have just taken the muffler off to begin with. It would have been so much easier. And also sprayed some WD-40 in there to help it out. But this is after 10-15 minutes of struggling. The socket you're going to need is a 17mm for both the drain plug and the oil filter housing. So while that's draining, we're going to replace this turn signal housing. As you can see, the tab's broke. It's because it's Chinese bodywork, so it's pretty cheap. So we're using the high flow filter, which I've used many times with no issues. And also the package comes with all the O-rings required. So it is a little tricky getting the whole assembly up in there. It took me a few tries, but got it in there finally. Today we'll be using Redline Full Synthetic 10W40 oil, and the manual requires 3.5 quarts, but for this one we just topped it up to just over 3 quarts. So once you got the oil topped up and it's between the two lines, what you want to do is you want to run it for about 5 minutes, or take it around the block, let the oil circulate through the system, and then also you want to check for leaks. So after running it for 5-10 minutes, you want to let it cool down for 30 minutes and let that oil drain back into the oil pan. And then you want to recheck the level and top up if you need to. So there it is. Oil change and oil filter. No problem, right? Thanks for watching my video. subscribed, give me a thumbs up, like the video, give me some comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.